As we roll down this unfamiliar road, and although this way.
Oh, hey, Days. Hey, I'm sorry I didn't show up the other day. I said I'm sorry. Why are you being such a bitch about it?
Right. I'm a bitch and you're an angel, no matter what happens. They should have had that stamped on our birth certificates.
What the hell is the big deal? You unload shifts on me all the time.
Well, you knew I needed to meet Charlie's parents tonight.
Oh, Days, I'm sorry. I forgot.
Yeah. Tim needed you, right? Just what the hell do you two do together anyways? That's what I'd like to know.
Well, if I told you, it would sound stupid.
It would sound pathetic. Daddy buffing the babysitter is a really old story. It happens all the time.
We talk, we read, we listen to Mozart sometimes.
You really believe this 30-year-old guy is gonna leave his wife and kids and live happily ever after with you? You're living in a fucking romance novel, Cat.
Oh yeah, buffing, fucking, and screwing. The great Daisy, nobody's fool.